Alright, here I'm going to demonstrate how to download the logmein application so we can remotely control the computer. You go to logmein.com. Okay, you choose logmein IT Reach. Click on get a free trial. You would just put in your information. Let's put in some information here. Other create account. Okay, once you create the account, you're going to go to users. You're going to add a new administrator. You put in my email address at vangi2280@gmail.com. Click full control. Click send invitation. Okay. Where it says my computers, you're going to want to click add computer. Once you click the add computer, it's going to download the software that you will need to install. So when the dialog box opens, click yes, run, and grant when prompted. So I already have this installed. I'm just going to exit here. So what you're going to want to do once it's downloaded and installed, you're going to give it a access code or password. Make sure it's something that you remember, and that will be my password to be able to access it as a administrator. So